Okay, students, now we are going to learn about how a computer performs any work, any task. That is how computer works. So, as in our today's class, where I had taken an activity where the student was being told to stand up, clap, and to sit down. So, as we have discussed that the computer requires input for performing any work. So, before going for your computer, let's discuss about the example shown on page number 24, where we have been shown about the making of popcorns. Everybody likes popcorn, I think. So here we are learning that for making popcorn, the first we have to provide corns. आपको कॉर्न पहले प्रोवाइड करना पड़ता है. विदाउट दैट पॉपकॉर्न मेकर विल मेक नथिंग. जब तक आप उसमें भुट्टे नहीं डालोगे वो कुछ नहीं बनाएगा. सो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू पुट कॉर्न, दैट इज टेकन एज और कंसिडर्ड एज इनपुट. आपने कॉर्न लिया, बाउल ऑफ कॉर्न एज शोन ऑन द पिक्चर. देन यू पुट इट इन द पॉपकॉर्न मशीन विच स्टार्टेड boiling it up or heating it up. So that was the next step, that is process, where the popcorn maker is processing, is making the popcorns. In the third step, it is being shown in a packet where the ready popcorn, prepared popcorn is available for you to eat. That's your result or output. Without giving input, नथिंग विल बी प्रोसेस और कुछ भी आपको आउटपुट नहीं मिलेगा. अगर आपने पॉपकॉर्न में कॉर्न नहीं डाला होता तो पॉपकॉर्न मेकर कुछ भी नहीं बनाता और आपको आउटपुट में कुछ भी खाने को नहीं मिलता. सो फॉर डूइंग एनी वर्क वी हैव टू गिव और वी हैव टू प्रोवाइड इनपुट विच विल बी प्रोसेस्ड एंड विल बी गिवन और विल बी शोन द आंसर और द आउटपुट रिजल्ट. Similar, we are talking about the washing machine which is available at your home. You put the dirty clothes in washing machine, you put water, detergent, then only it will start working, it will start washing the clothes. अगर आप ये input add नहीं करोगे, washing machine work नहीं करेगा. Then it start washing the clothes, थोड़े टाइम तक वो उसे rotate करता रहता है. First in the circular, then in the non-circular direction. After some time, that is its processing. When it's washing the clothes, when your washing machine is washing the clothes, it's processing. वो उस washing को process, वो उस कपड़े को धो रहा है. After processing, जब वो धोना पूरा हो जाता है, it provides you clean clothes. आपको साफ कपड़े provide करता है. That's output. वो उसका result होता है. So also in washing machine also, you have to put the input first, that is the dirty clothes. Then it will process, that it will wash, and then it will provide you the output, that is the clean clothes. Similarly, for any work, any process to be done by computer, computer को भी कोई भी work, कोई भी process work करने के लिए सबसे पहले we have to give computer the input. हमें सबसे पहले कंप्यूटर को क्या देना होता है? इनपुट. बेसिकली योर इनपुट इज द डेटा और द इंस्ट्रक्शन. या तो वो डेटा होता है या वो इंस्ट्रक्शन और कमांड होता है. दैट इज द फर्स्ट इनपुट. लाइक आई हैड गिवन द स्टूडेंट्स द इंस्ट्रक्शन टू स्टैंड अप, सो दैट वाज द फर्स्ट इनपुट which I have given. And we know that the input is given by either the keyboard or by using the mouse. So these devices are known as input devices. जिन devices का use करके हम input provide करते हैं, they are known as input devices, like your keyboard or mouse. The input which has been given to the computer, then computer will process the input. It will calculate or it will process the required or the given input. जो आपने input दिया है उस input को वो process करता है, calculate करता है. And we know that the processing work is done by the CPU, that is the brain of the computer. So your CPU is also known as processing device. First, you give input to the computer by using the input device's keyboard or the mouse. Then it will process that input or the data in CPU, that is your processing device. After processing, it will generate the result, the answer, which is known as output, जिसे हम output कहते हैं. That output basically normally we see it on your screen, monitor पे हम output देखते हैं, इसीलिए monitor को हम output devices भी कहते हैं. So as we have done, I had given 3 instructions to the student. So for each instruction, for each work, I have to repeat again the same process. हर वर्क को करने के लिए first I have to give input, then the input will be processed, then उस वर्क को वो process करके output show करेगा. Again for next instruction or next work, again I have to give input, again it will process, again it will show the output. Again for the third instruction, I have to give the input, and this circle will keep on going. That is from input to processing to output. The cycle is followed again and again. Hence, this cycle is known as IPO cycle. This 3-step process is known as IPO cycle, where I stands for input, P stands for processing, and O stands for output. That's the IPO cycle. I stands for input, P stands for processing, O stands for output. The same IPO cycle is processed or being repeated by the computer again and again for doing all work. सारे वर्क्स को करने के लिए कंप्यूटर बार बार IPO cycle को फॉलो करता है. This makes your third chapter complete for today. After this, I would be sharing the book reading session where I will read the book and any term will be elaborated as required. And then I would be sharing the exercise part of the mentioned chapter number 3, which you have to do it in the book. For today, thank you and take care.